this 2021 also brings different scenarios for different animal signs. So the general forecast for the lucky signs in 2021 belongs to the rooster, because the rooster-born person, meron po silang tinatawag na wealth star in 2021. When the wealth star happens to a certain animal sign, it only comes once and every 9 years. So the next animal sign that is going to have a very good luck and opportunities are those who are born in the year of the ox and the tiger. So I may suggest that for these two animal signs, when they have to make plans this 2021, make sure that it's for the long term. Hindi po yung pang short-term goals lang. So make it a long-term goals kasi may opportunity ka po sa business, good health, at saka sa pera din. And then we move to the other good sign, which is actually the horse. The horse has the so-called victory star. So kung ang taong 2020 nahirapan po talaga kung taong 2020 nahirapan po talaga yung horse, simply because si horse po ay kalaban ng year of the rat. So ngayon naman po, I would say that the year 2021 will bring a lot of victorious achievements for the year of the horse. So make it your comeback year, because this is going to be a very good time for you. And then in terms of love, marriage, being engaged, starting a family, it actually is in the sign of the rabbit. Let's pick on the rabbit. So the rabbit-born person will have the lack of marriage, the lack of love. Kung magpapakasal ka, you want to be engaged. You want to start a baby or a family. Start something in terms of education. You want to further your degree or even travel. These are for those who are born in the year of the rabbit. And then the so-called medyo challenging animal signs belongs to the animal sign of the dragon and snake. But most especially the dragon, because the dragon has a so-called misfortune star. And then ito pong yung dragon is naturally an earth element energy. So they have to be very careful with so-called mga health and illness issues. There's a lot of pangontra that you can actually get from frigga.co.uk. You have to have with you the so-called 5-element pagoda. And then the snake. The snake somehow, medyo may maganda rin siyang prospects. Minor yung kanyang obstacles kasi meron po siyang magandang prospects kasi kaibigan po ng ox si snake. So the ox, the snake, and the rooster are allies and friends. So basically, syempre, kung ang taon niya ng kaibigan mo, which is taon ng the ox, na magkakaroon din ng magandang swerte, yung snake and rooster. Tapos yung best friend ni ox is si rat. Okay, so let's move on to another challenging animal sign, which are actually those who are born in the year of the sheep and monkey. So yung mga sheep and monkey, mga kaibigan, especially for the sheep, kontra ka po ng taon. Kasi this is the year of the ox, this is the enemy of the sheep. And then, kailangan po nating protektahan ang ating sarili. This is the time for the this is the time for the sheep-born people to make a change. Kailangan mo talaga, you have to do a lot of charity. You can do a lot of changes into your life. Baka siguro baguhin mo yung pag-ayos mo. Dapat bagong-bago ang appearance ng mga ship-born person this year. Pwede rin po siyang maglipat ng trabaho, maglipat ng department. Kahit po sa bahay, pwede po siyang lumipat ng panibagong environment. Or even kung hindi niya po kaya yan, pwede siyang maglipat ng kahit dun sa kwarto niya or yung bed direction niya. So when you make a change or shift, normally your luck changes as well. And then the monkey-born person, they have to just be careful with so-called argument star. Arguments meaning they will be embroiled in some mga discussions na hindi maganda, makikipag-away. In fact, the Southwest, which is the location of the sheep and monkey, is also the location of the mother, the matriarch, the woman of the house. If you are a CEO woman leading an organization, magkakaroon po ng medyo mga alitan. People could possibly, talk behind your back or hate you, for example. So try to come down and maybe wear a lot of red, pink, or purple. That's your color for 2021. So now we move on to the tiger. Now we move on to the other afflicted signs, which are those who are born in the year of the dog and the boar. So the dog and boar has the so-called robbery or violent star. So this is actually the direction of the dog and the boar, and at the same time the direction of the father, the patriarch, or the man of the house. Ang lokasyon po ng mga dog and boar are in the northwest. So kaya nga sinasabi ko, the relationship issue in 2021 could be very challenging to couples because there could be some separations, there could be some marital discord, there could be some issues between husband and wife. So let's look at that, and then be mindful, kung ang asawa mo po ay either kung ang asawa mo po ay dog or boar, or kung hindi naman sheep and monkey, bantayan niyo po yung parang make sure that your relationship is solid para po ma-avoid natin yung affliction of the year. Then let's move on to those who are born in the year of the rat. The year of the rat, kahit papano, kasi best friend mo yung taon. Best friend kasi po si ox at saka si rat. So somehow you are benefiting some good fortune as well. However, si rat-born person, meron po siyang tinatawag na illness star. So the rat-born person could be prone to some illness. Baka po parati kang parang pagod, very feeling lethargic, low energy. So ito po yung dapat mong bantayan to make sure that you are healthy enough. You can actually bring with you some pangontra. Later, I'm gonna run down kung ano yung mga pangontra ng each animal signs na pwede mong gamitin. Ang mga pampaswerte po natin sa ngayong taon, ang mga pampaswerte ngayong taon sa Year of the Metal Ox for each different animal signs. So kung ang animal sign mo po is the rat, kailangan mo po ng the so-called wulo. This is the so-called wulo. This is actually for anti-illness. It comes with different mantras inside. This is in the form of a keychain. And then kasi po maswerte po yung taon ng Year of the Ox. The Year of the Ox can actually capitalize lahat po ng kanyang connection sa the Year of the Metal Ox. Meron po yung mga paiba-ibang mga animal signs dito. Nakapalibot na rin po ang special mantra. Meron siyang 5 different colors. I'm actually wearing the yellow one. And then the tiger. Siyempre yung tiger, maganda rin yung taon niya. So pwede siyang magsuot or maglagay ng mga medallions. Medallions po mga kaibigan, this is for prosperity and success. Ito namang si rabbit, kasi nga maganda yung taon niya in terms of health, wealth, and love, and even travel. Pwede siya magsuot ng mga pampaswerte po na ultimate mantra bangle. May mga special bangles po siya dyan sa loob na may mga special mantras din. Makukuha niyo po ito sa friga.co.uk, or we have our Friga boutiques and Mega Mall, 3rd floor Building A, or at 4th floor North EDSA the Black, or at Seaside Cebu. And then let's move on to the dragon. Siyempre yung animal sign ng dragon, medyo maganda naman yung taon niya, kaso lang masyado po siyang challenge in terms of health. Medyo sakitin rin siya. So try to reinforce the mighty dragon, kasi you have to be reminded, what are the good things na meron nga ba si dragon. Alam nyo ba mga kaibigan na yung mga malalaking negosyante sa buong mundo ay born in the year of the dragon. Si Jack Ma is born in the year of the dragon. Tony Tan Kachong of Jollibee is born in the year of the dragon. So maganda po talaga pagka may dragon person or family, dragon born in the family, it's usually is very good. At the same time, kailangan po ni dragon yung tinatawag na 5-element pagoda. So I would actually suggest that dragon person brings him or herself the dragon bangle plus the so-called 5-element pagoda. Ito talaga yung pangontra niya sa ito yung pangontra niya sa taon, ito naman yung pampaswerte niya. So everybody should have something like something to protect and something to enhance. Now, those who are born in the year of the snake, kaibigan mo naman yung taon. So the year of the ox is the best friend, is one of the year of the ox is the ally and friend of the year of the snake. So ox and snake are allies and friends. So kailangan po ni snake ngayon ang tinatawag din na anti-misfortune charm. Okay? Para po yung malas ng taon hindi po masyadong lumapit sa'yo. And then we have the horse. The horse, mga kaibigan, they have the so-called victory star. Dali Stop muna tayo. Go back, the horse. So mga kaibigan, yung pong year of the horse, they have the so-called victory star. Very victorious yung taon. So I suggest that they will have or bring themselves the so-called victory for wealth and success. Pwede rin po siyang magsuot ng mga bangles na pampaswerte na pwede po niyang gamitin sa pang-araw-araw niyang pampaswerte. So this is actually what you call the mantra special bangle. Then we have the sheep. Mga kaibigan, ang sheep, sinabi ko nga kanina, has the so-called parang most challenging scenario for 2021 kasi kalaban po niya ang year of the ox. So kinakailangan proteksyonan talaga ng mga sheep ang kanilang sarili. So bringing with them so the sheep-born people, mga kaibigan, bringing themselves some protection para po yung kanilang kalaban ng mga animal sign, ma-cover na po ng mga special mantras protection na dito. Nandito na po yung anti-misfortune, anti-arguments, pangontra po sa mga illness, at saka nandito na rin po yung mga pampaswerte. So this is the astrology mantra scarf. And then, kailangan po ng shipborn person to bring with them the so-called Tai Sui. This is like the Tai Sui is very important for the shipborn person to bring. Kailangan din po niya ng something to cool off his or her head. Ito yung tinatawag na peace and harmony amulet. Now, let's move on to the monkey. Ang monkey, mga kaibigan, kailangan po niya ng anti-argumentative amulet. Ito po yun. Peace for harmony. Okay? So, kailangan to both ng sheep and monkey para po walang mag-away sa inyo. Walang makikipag, or talk behind your back. And then we have the rooster. The rooster, mga kaibigan, sabi ko nga, they have the so-called prosperity. The rooster, mga kaibigan, like what I said, has the so-called wealth star for 2021. So ito po yan, no? You can have with you mga infinity bangles. Kasi nga, you have the number 8. Okay? So the number 8 star is actually very good. And once you have the number 8 star, it only comes once in every 9 years. So congratulations sa mga rooster. I hope that you'll have a great time. But please make sure naman na maganda naman yung inyong feng shui sa bahay ninyo. Okay, then we are down to the dog. The dog, mga kaibigan, this is the time for the dog to be extra careful. Huwag kang magpapautang, baka hindi ka mabayaran. This is also the time for you na baka pwede kang maswindle or pwede kang mawalan ng opportunity, mawalan ng trabaho. So kailangan mo ng anti-robbery, okay? Anti-robbery amulet looks like this. So this is the rhino and elephant symbol. This is for anti-robbery. And then finally, mga kaibigan, si boar. Ang boar, mga kaibigan, this is the time for the boar to stay also lie low. Kapalaran sa pag-ibig, medyo hindi masyadong maganda. Kailangan din ni ni Boar na mag-ingat because baka pwede siyang mawala ng mga properties, pwede rin siya mawala ng kunyari relationship. 'Di ba? Kasi nga robbery could mean something that is taken away from you. So ang pangontra po natin sa mga born in the year of the Boar ay ito po siya, rhino and elephant symbol. Pwede rin po ito siya dito. You can get this from twiga.co.uk. You can have like the anti-robbery medallion also. I can send this to you in a good photo later. That's it. So that's your forecast for 2021.